I am presenting here how the water ingress system is being checked, inspected, and tested. For you, aspiring ETO, ETR, electrician on board, marine engineers, good day to all.
Plastic na ilaw? Hindi plastic na ilaw. Yung pang, hindi pwede sa alcohol ba? Yung ang tawag dito? Yung hindi pwede sa alcohol, hindi pumasa sa standard. Yun sana ipapalagay ni Kapitan. Nalit lang siya magsabi.
Good day everyone, what I have here is the drawing about our water ingress system, and this water ingress system is I'm going to check now. So before I proceed on the cargo hold, we review this water ingress. As you can see, I have here ship's drawing, wherein this sample drawing for the ships showing that I have here this Nakakita says Koshu Company Ltd, Japan, JD1MS81221, diagram for pressure electric type water ingress alarm. So by the name pressure electric type, meaning the water ingress alarm will be activated depends on the pressure. So as you will see and notice, the pressure is having a formula known as pressure is equals to rho GH. Rho is the density, G is the specific gravity, and H is the height. So density of water, specific gravitational acceleration due to gravity, and H is the height. For this principle, you would notice that our water ingress on cargo hold 1 was installed here, and this is known as the opening port for my sensor 1 with specific height. So if there is coming water here, the pressure will be built up, then the pre-alarm and main alarm will be activated. Same thing also with cargo hold number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our ship have 9 holes, so I will proceed there. Aside from there, we have also a water ingress system located on bottom store, one here and one here. How it is connected? On the sensor side, there is a barrier module. This is intrinsically safe device to isolate hazardous areas and non-hazardous areas. Going to my control panel, and here is the alarm annunciator. Normally the alarm annunciator is located on the bridge wheelhouse and one on the engine control room. So to further for you to see what is inside on this sensor port, there is a drawing here. So this is how it looks like. This is opening punching plate. I'm going to remove the screw here, and I will put here my special device to put in water or air. And when this portion is totally closed, we will subject the transducer sensor to have a pressure on it, and this pressure will convert it into electrical signal. Level type sensor type NS79S. So this is the drawing. So guys, this is the sensor for my water ingress. This is how it looks like, and this sensor is having a mark NS979S-11P40. So it has protection cover. When you remove this protection cover, you will see that there is a diaphragm inside, and this diaphragm, when this experiencing pressure, the pressure will be converted into electric signal. Furthermore, we have this device. We make and fabricated it. So during simulation tests, we can use this one by putting these flanges with rubber, and then we can put this like this. Once we put like this, this will be fixed with bolt and nut, and we can hit some air or water. But before we proceed on that, we do first a water ingress testing to see how it works. Guys, what I have here is the further details, the operating principles of our sensor for the water ingress. As you can see, the air pressure electric type water ingress alarm system described below is the rationalized system of the instrumentation which is required for the level measuring of ballast tank, fuel tanks, draft gauges, and also for the alarm devices. A sensor is measurable even if installed inside and outside of the tank. Moreover, since the material and the quality of the material which is cared about enough, a corrosive, one-proof, heat resistance, and capacity to resist pressure are selected. It is preeminent for durability. So there is a principle: the pressure of the liquid gets across the internal silicone oil through diaphragm of a sensor, and diaphragm of internal element is made distorted, and it outputs as a current signal. So the output signal 4 to 20 milliampere is changed into alarm contact by detect relay currently installed in a control panel, and it processed in the alarm circuit of installation in a control panel and displays on alarm panel. So test plan, as you will see, level sensor can be tested by water and pressure of air. So this is what we do. We test the water ingress by means of air and water. Okay, now we will proceed now in our cargo hold to do a testing on water ingress system on bulk ship. Water ingress priority 1379 testing
Brad,
tayo.
bato, Brad.
So test lamp yun.
Andito ba sa bridge ngayon na humingi ng instruction niya. Pero pagkatapos nandito, pupunta na siya dyan sa'yo. So, please, prepare accordingly. Pagpunta niya dyan sa bridge na kayo, ha?
Okay. Ayun, naabutan na kami ng tanghaling tapat. Ito pa rin. Nagtitesting kami ng water ingress. Shout out dyan kay Third. Yun o. Narito ang mga pangmalakasan natin. Shout out muna dyan.
Okay ba yung ano,
Ganda ng salamin, no? Ganda ng salamin. Ay, salamin mo ah. Mamahalin yan ah. Yun, yung aking best friend, may dalang kariton. What things need to do? Prepare all material to be needed. Ropes, hoses, bucket of tools. And guys, this is my main entrance going to the cargo hold. So guys, this is the spiral ladder. Straight first. Going down is the spiral ladder. Oh, see, my tools. Somebody is pulling up. This is the spiral ladder. If you measure, it has 1, 2, 3.5. Then the width 1, 2.1, height 1.1. So very nice. You can easily go down inside of the cargo holds. This is the inside structure of my cargo hold number 3. We'll be going down. Out dyan kay Sir Bon, ang aking kasama dito sa cargo hold number 7. May dalawa siyang hagdan. Namumblema siya paano niya iakyat doon sa taas. So balik tayo sa ating topic. Okay na, properly seated na yung ating testing. Okay guys, we are properly seated. Our water ingress testing device. So we need to put some air to alarm, trigger the alarm, and water also. This ship, is it possible to trigger the alarm using air only or using water only, provided the pressure will be going up from negative 0.02 for the pre-alarm, 0.1 megapascal for main alarm. So let's go. So meron tayong fabricated pang test. Meron siyang tornilyo dito. Lalagyan natin yung tornilyo doon, itong rubber, isi-seal off na yan. Once it is sealed off, we apply air to have pressure on it and water to trigger the alarm. Again, this is my number 3 cargo hold water ingress. We remove these bolts and we need to little bit heat to eliminate some air leak. So using these rods, as you can see, this have some speed protection, so we will check it to be clean. I just put some WD-40 to remove some rust, and we can put this one. Okay, remove. You can see inside too much dirty. Here in cargo hold number 3, I have a little bit problem. I cannot put inside this successfully, so we make some application. I little bit extended these bolts to penetrate inside and successfully install this instrument on my water ingress sensor port. This is the fabricated device to do testing of my water ingress, and it has nut and bolt inside together with this. So we need to put first this rubber around on this mouthpiece, preventing any escape of pressure, and we adjust these screw bolts to keep and eliminate some air gap around this. So once the pressure is being built up, we will able to trigger the water ingress alarm, the pre-alarm, and the main alarm. So guys, ginawa natin ng paraan para maglapat itong ating port sensor. In-adjust lang natin yung rubber. Tapos ilagyan natin ng pangmalakas na tornilyo. Buksan natin to. Buksan. Yung tumataas na yung pressure. 0. Nakaalam na yung pre-alarm yan sa negative 0.02. Taas natin ng 0.1. Nakakaroon na ng alarm sa lane. So yan ang ating water ingress sensor. Brakes, pasok brakes! Second officer, brakes, pasok. Brakes, may out. Wala. May nagkakape alarm.
Wala pa.
Yan, may alarm na.
Meron na.
May nagkakape alarm.
Wala na.
Okay, pakibigyan natin second, tapos susunod. Okay. Tabakin yung pressure na. 0.2, megapascal. Ayan mga guys, yung number 2, 0.2 megapascal. Yan, nawala na yung main. Nawala na yung main.
Tumalong. Yung main, wala ba?
Pre-alarm na yan, pre-alarm.
Kaya lang tumalong. Yung main, wala pa.
Stop na ng 0.2. Yan, 0.2. 0.2. Ayan. Ayan, 0.5. Megapascal, 0.5. Ayan, main.
Wala pa.
Ayan, 0.5. Tubig. Yan, meron na main. Ay, bata, bata. Okay. Bakit na? Okay. Ayan, may lumabas na tubig, sumispirit.
Wala?
Ayan, meron na. Thank you. Bridge, pasok bridge. Pakisabi ko may alarm. Wala pa rin alarm. Pasok bridge, may alarm na dyan. Bridge, pakisabi ko may alarm.
Wala.
May alarm.
Wala.
So yan mga guys, oh, kita nyo, may pumapasok na tubig pero wala siyang alarm. Check natin bakit hindi gumana itong water ingress natin sa cargo hold number 3 using water and air. So guys, for you to familiarize with, this is my cargo hold number 7. This is the inside structure of the cargo hold number 7, and you notice I have only one sensor. On other ship, the water ingress system have the lower part and upper part, but here on bulk carrier ship with 9 holds, I have only one water ingress sensors which will energize and activated the pre-alarm and main alarm. So we are finished on the cargo hold number 7, and we are now going to proceed on another cargo holds, and we are going to close the number 7 holds. Okay na daw. Ayos. So, close. Bye-bye. So, this is our number 9. Cargo hold water ingress port. So, as you can see, we have plenty plates. water is not possible to be penetrated inside, so we must keep clean it. But anyhow, even though this center is full of paints, the water is still get inside, so if there is water, the sensor will be able to detect waters. Part of maintenance, you must need to clean by using a wire like this. You see, we have plenty debris and particles inside, so sometimes this might cause a blocking of your water flow to trigger the alarm of your water ingress. So very important to clean inside. See, as I put this about 0.1 meters, this is about 1.5 full length. When our sensor is completed, okay. We are going to put now here. I have here bolts and nuts. And I'm going to tighten tight as we can, so no water or air is escape. Make sure that it is completely sealed. I'm using this WD-40 equivalent, so we can clean. We are going to remove the cover here. So this is the cover. See, tight, clean, hot, sun, cover here. So we can also remove this one. So I'm just cleaning here. The surface to eliminate some leakages. Number 7.
7.
Yun. Flashing. Para ma-reset yan. Pick it, stop. Wala na. Okay guys, I spell check. I just noticed that 9 and 7 only 9 and 3 pre-alarm activated.
What about number 7 and 1?
About 1 and 7
Yeah.
they have pre-alarm and main alarm. Yun.
Number 7 minalang.
Shout out dyan kay Chief. Yun ang aking boss. Flag! Natapos din mga kaibigan. Click and stop.
Walang sensor sa akin, Ronde.